Hey, I keep seeing your posts on Instagram. Are you doing volunteer work now? They look so fun. Can I know how I can join too?
Doesn't it? We did a lot of activities and helped those in need, from healthcare services, food aid, and other things like counseling. We really try our best to do as much as we can to help them lessen their burdens. Our organization also uses our strengths and the best of our abilities so they know that they're not alone, that we're here for them. Oh, we also hold events for the youth to join. In 2021, we held the Youth Debate Penang Competition 1.0, where the theme was patriotism and unity. The participants were people from diverse backgrounds who showed their confidence, leadership skills, and teamwork. It was really fun to watch and listen to them.
Wow, that's a really great event. Are there any other events your organization has ever done?
Of course, in 2016, we had an event called Youth Unity Run. It was a fun run meant to foster team building, inclusivity, and networking opportunities. It was really a good occasion where the participants could connect with other people as well as organizations.
That sounds really great. Do you think I can join you? I want to help people and learn things along the way too.
Let's hear what PBLM is all about from their vice president.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Saya Datuk Dr. Syaul Hamid bin Said Muhammad, Timbalan Presiden Liga Muslim merangkap Pusat Perkhidmatan Liga Muslim Pulau Pinang. Untuk makluman, Liga Muslim ini diwujudkan pada tahun 1954, iaitu sebelum merdeka. Dan pada tahun 1957 kita berdaftar secara rasmi. Tapi sebelum tu 54 telah pun dimulakan dengan kehadiran residensi pada masa itu Sir McCallum or McDonald, saya kata saya dia di sini dan boleh dirasmikan pada 54. Tapi 57 kita secara rasminya telah mendaftarkan Liga Muslim Pulau Pinang sebagai sebuah persatuan gabungan Liga Muslim untuk membantu masyarakat Muslim yang memerlukan bantuan. Bukan sahaja masyarakat Muslim, termasuk juga semua masyarakat iaitu India, China, Melayu dan sebagainya. Dan sejak itu sampai sekarang kita melakukan kerja-kerja kebajikan dari segi pendidikan dan juga ada masalah-masalah rumah tangga, masalah ibu tunggal dan banyak juga masalah-masalah ni.
Attention! Calling all passionate young minds. Are you looking to make a difference in your community and gain valuable life skills? Well, look no further than Pertubuhan Belia Liga Muslim. We're a vibrant organization dedicated to empowering young people like you through hands-on experiences and knowledge sharing. We believe in embracing all backgrounds and talents. Whether you're a seasoned volunteer or just starting out, we offer a welcoming space for you to grow, learn, and connect. Here's what you can expect as part of our team. You will be contributing to meaningful projects. You could develop essential skills. You could expand your network, and who knows, you might even discover hidden talents. We take pride in being recognized for our dedication. In 2018, we were runners-up at the Pertubuhan Belia Anugerah Perdana Belia Negara Peringkat Negeri Pulau Pinang, and in 2020, we were awarded the top non-governmental organization title. This recognition reflects our commitment to youth empowerment and positive social change. Remember, every action, however small, can ripple outwards and create a lasting impact. By joining our organization, you become part of a collective force for good, shaping a brighter future for yourself and the community. Ready to embark on an extraordinary journey? Join us today and explore the limitless possibilities that await.